Hi there. So again, I have been trying to search for deep conditioners, trying to find which ingredients are best, what's in all of them, and all that sort of thing. I did come across another one that I thought was pretty interesting and decided to go ahead and try. This one is from another YouTube gal. Her name is Natural Soleil. So you should definitely check out her channel. Great videos. Let's see. So this mix is quite similar to one that I tried several months ago from another YouTube, Beauty by Lee. So you'll see the ingredients are pretty similar, but there are two exceptions. Beauty by Lee's mix has coconut oil, but Natural Soleil's mix has coconut milk. Also, her mix does not have mayo in it. So those are the two exceptions. Let's see. Oh, also you'll notice that I kind of played with the amounts of the ingredients a little bit. I wanted a particular texture and smoothness to it, so that changed a little bit how much of the ingredients that I used. But I did stick to her ingredients. I kept all of the ones that she used in her mix, just tinkered with the amounts. And of course you'll notice that there are some of my favorite products in here, and that's just because I'm just trying to find what best works for my hair, and I know what works for it, so I kind of tend toward those specific ingredients. But you want to make sure with a deep conditioner that you find what best works for your hair. So if you are also still searching for the best deep conditioner for you, this is a good one to try. It's very smooth, it has great moisture to it. So I'll show you how I mix up the ingredients and then of course the results.